Are you interested in venturing into the realm of cybersecurity? With so many cybersecurity courses promising to help shape your career, choosing the right entry-level cybersecurity program can be challenging. Creator of the renowned Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) program, EC Council presents a one-stop solution for cybersecurity education. The Certified Cybersecurity Technician (CCT) certification. The world's only entry-level cybersecurity program with over 85 hands-on, non-simulated state-of-the-art labs. The CCT certification validates your core cybersecurity knowledge and strengthens your practical expertise with skills-based labs and a performance-based exam. The CCT program goes beyond the fundamentals, it's like no other. In the CCT course, you'll gain a multidisciplinary cybersecurity education that covers network defense, ethical hacking, digital forensics, security operations. The CCT incorporates capture the flag challenges into every lab exercise, enabling you to put your knowledge and critical thinking to the test and providing you with a proven record of demonstrating your skills. 50% of in-class learning is dedicated to enhancing practical skills. Why should you choose the CCT? Earning the CCT certification verifies your ability to perform the tasks required in real-world cybersecurity environments. The CCT bolsters your resume and shows that you're well-versed in best practices for strengthening an organization's security posture. Gain the skills you need for an entry-level cybersecurity career with the CCT program. Give your career a boost today.